What is it in your hand?
This is my hurricane. It doesn't just give light, it also shows the way. I want to be your good friend and helper. Okay. Why are you crying here?
I am so hungry I can't find my carrot field.
Don't be afraid, we are with you. We will help you. Don't worry. I have a lantern in my hand that can see light even in the dark of night. Let's go find a carrot field. Look at that carrot field. You have helped me a lot. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's okay, it's our responsibility. We have to go now.
Oh, already? Goodbye then.
Take care of yourself. We'll visit again soon. I'll be waiting.
Look at how beautiful the beetle is.
Yes, very beautiful indeed. Let's keep going. It's so dark. Stay close to me! It's starting to rain! We need to get to a safe place quickly. Okay, let's hurry up. It is raining a lot today. We will leave here when the rain stops. Hey, the rain stopped! Yay, adventure time! Let's go see what's ahead. I'm right behind you. Wow, this rain is really coming down. Yeah, but it's kind of fun splashing. Whoa, wait, look there!
A baby bird, it's crying.
Oh, you poor thing, don't cry.
Let's help it.
How did you get here?
Our house was destroyed by the rain, so I ended up here.
Don't worry, little bird. We will deliver it to your home. Let's go a little further.
Chirp, tweet.
Today we helped 2 animals. We want to help more. Let's keep going then. Yes, I smell adventure. Keep up. We're almost there. Wait, what's that sound?
Mommy, where are you?
Why are you crying?
I lost my mother.
Don't worry. We are here. Do you know your home? Yes, I know, but I'm afraid to go alone. Come with us and we will deliver to your home. That's where our house can be seen. Wow, let's go.
Thank you very much.
Okay, it's our duty. Take care of him. go, friends. You will help everyone like us. Goodbye. Be well.